Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I decided to do a little project with these flowers that I got. If you remember from my other video, I got these flowers from Dollar General in my penny haul. I was able to get these bundle of flowers for just 1 penny. So what I decided to do with these is I'm going to make some flower pens. Okay, so I just wanted to kind of show y'all what I'm going to come up with these flowers. Okay, I got my pens right here. I have some floral tape and it's green, so it'll be this will be the stem of the flower, and of course I have my scissors, which I'm gonna cut the flowers with. So it's really simple to do this project. I've done these before, and I just thought this was a perfect way to make use of these flowers. So I'm gonna cut the stem not too long. So I cut the first one to about that length, and I'm just gonna put it next to this pen and put it to the top, and it's gonna go on right there. I probably could go a little shorter. Yeah, let's try to go a little shorter. That way we won't have such a long... that flew on the floor. Yeah, so it won't be so long on the pen. So it'll be probably about right there. I'm gonna take my floral tape. If you want to know where you can get these from, I think I saw some of this at Dollar Tree, but I believe I bought this from Michael's. It's not very tacky, but once you start wrapping it on the pen, it'll stick. Because it's not like tacky tape. So this is not really a tutorial. I'm just showing y'all what I'm going to do with these flowers. But you can kind of see what I'm doing. Okay. Yeah, that's why I kind of wanted the stem a little longer, because I could have more control. So the other ones I'm not going to cut as short. So I'm just going to start as far at the top as I can. And start wrapping. Yeah, I made that mistake to cut it too short. It might work. It's just I got to get my grip together. Okay, and then what I do, I just kind of pull it as tight as I can on the pen. And just swirl it in. See, yeah, hold on. I may have to go over it a second time. Just twirl, and I'm pulling it tight too. That way it'll. So this will be a smooth. I'm just pulling it and twirling it. Pulling and twirling. And I could just smooth that. I kind of messed up right there, so I could just smooth that out. Pulling and twirling. And so I'm going to go as far to the tip as I can. And I'm pushing down to get it to form against the pen. And I think I'm going to stop. I'm trying to cover up as much of the black too as well. I'm going to stop right there. Take the scissors and cut that. And I'm just gonna twist it and get it to form against the pen. And that's it, y'all. That's my pen. Right here, see, yeah, I got to come back up here and wrap a little more tape so that could stay. So I'm gonna come back in up here. Oh, that's the piece I just cut off. I might can use it. Let me see. Sorry, y'all, I'm not in frame. But I'm just going back over to try to put a little bit more up here to keep this part in place. Because I cut it short because I didn't want the stem. See how the stem is kind of showing right there? But I think I'm just going to go ahead and on the next pen, I'll just make it. Yeah. But yeah, y'all, that's what I decided to do with these flowers, was just make a cute little flower pen with it. And that's really cute. I'm sorry, I can't get it to go in frame because of the way I have the camera positioned, but yeah. And it's cute. So I was able to make a good use out of these penny flowers. You can't beat that for a penny. Yeah. So there you have it. Really simple. What the top at? And you could cover the top too and put the top back on the pen, or you can just not even have the top with it. So yeah, really cute. So I'm happy I was able to make use of this because I was thinking in my head, like, what am I going to do with that little thing of flowers? I was like, oh, make a flower pen. I already had the floral tape. So, yeah. All right, guys. I just wanted to show you this little simple project. So, I'm glad I was able to do this because it came out super cute. Thank you guys for watching my video. More crafts and projects to come very soon. This is only the beginning. So if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I have big things planned for this channel, so just stay tuned. Like and subscribe and comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.